Welcome to the era of pajama-clad productivity and the sweet symphony of your own coffee maker. If you're reading this, chances are you've tasted the freedom of working from home, where the daily commute is just a few steps to your home office. Or let's be honest, the cozy corner of your living room. The rise of remote work has not only blurred the lines between professional and personal space, but has also opened up exciting opportunities to earn money online while embracing a wallet-friendly lifestyle. Picture this: no more rush hour traffic jams, no mandatory wardrobe dilemmas, and no more sad desk lunches. Instead, we're diving into the world of virtual gigs, side hustles, and the art of balancing a budget without sacrificing the joy in life. This isn't just about pinching pennies, it's about unlocking the door to a life where you call the shots, where your office is wherever your Wi-Fi reaches, and where the path to financial independence is paved with creative and frugal choices. In this guide, we're not handing out generic advice. We're your online work buddies, your frugality enthusiasts, and your cheerleaders in this digital journey. From freelancing escapades to navigating the realms of Amazon, FBA, and FBM, we've got your back. So grab your favorite mug, kick back, and let's explore how you can turn your online hustle into a harmonious blend of earning money and living life to the fullest without breaking the bank. Let the adventure begin. Hey there, welcome to Simple Money Matters. Stick around till the end of this video because I've got a treat for you. I'll spill the beans on how to snag a free copy of my guide, How to Save $1,000 in a Week. Exciting, right? And guess what? The goodness doesn't stop there. Join me on this journey toward financial well-being by hitting that subscribe button now. Let's embark together on the path to a financially sound future. Ready to make some money magic happen? Hit subscribe and let's dive in. Benefits of working from home, where pajamas meet productivity. All right, remote warriors, let's talk about the perks of transforming your living space into the ultimate workspace. First things first, say goodbye to the morning marathon to beat the clock. Working from home means embracing the glorious flexibility that lets you set your work hours. Want to start your day with a sunrise yoga session or dive into your tasks after a late-night inspiration binge? Go for it. No judgment here. Now let's get real about the wardrobe situation. Who needs a closet full of suits or office attire when your cat is the only fashion critic in the room? Pajamas, yoga pants, or that t-shirt you've had since college, your fashion choices are now a celebration of comfort. Say hello to the revolution of the cozy chic work ensemble. And here's a game changer: the money you used to spend on gas or public transportation. Consider it your newfound budget bonus. Commute costs? Poof, gone. Plus, let's not forget the saved lunch money, because your kitchen is now the cafeteria. It's not just about the dollars saved, it's about creating a life where the 9-to-5 grind is more of a whenever I'm most productive groove. But it's not just about the work, it's about life outside the virtual office too. We're talking about having the freedom to pick up your kid from school, walk your dog in the park, or take that midday power nap without someone peeking over your cubicle. Working from home isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle upgrade, and we're here for every cozy, cost-cutting, and freedom-fueled moment of it. Ways to earn money online, turning passion into paychecks. Now that we've got our comfy work-from-home groove on, let's dive into the exciting world of earning money online. No, this isn't just about dodging the traditional office setup. It's about unleashing your creativity, skills, and passions to pad your pockets. Say goodbye to the notion that work has to be dull and predictable. Online, your hustle can be as unique as your taste in memes. First up, let's talk freelancing. Imagine a marketplace where your skills are the hot commodity and clients are eagerly waiting to snatch up your talent. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are like virtual stages where you can showcase your writing prowess, graphic design wizardry, or coding magic. It's not just a job, it's your chance to turn what you love into a paycheck. Now, for the entrepreneurial spirit in you, let's explore online businesses. Starting a blog or website isn't just about putting your thoughts out there. It's about creating a digital space that's uniquely yours. And guess what? That space can be monetized through affiliate marketing, content with sponsors, or even selling your products. It's your online playground. Customize it, design it, and let it work for you. Before I kicked off my YouTube adventure, I was on the lookout for a game-changing way to boost my income outside of the regular 9-to-5 grind. Retirement dreams and financial freedom were my ultimate goals. Now I get it. The whole on-camera thing can be a bit intimidating. I was right there with you, worried about being recognized by people I knew. That's when I stumbled upon this incredible training by the one and only Matt Parr. Even though I was a bit clueless about how folks were making money on their channels, I decided to take a leap of faith. I tossed in my name and email for the free training seminar, promising to spill all the secrets. Let me tell you, joining that seminar was a total game changer. The insights and wisdom I gained were pure gold. It was so eye-opening that I didn't hesitate to level up and invest in the full premium course. Fast forward, and my YouTube income journey got a serious turbo boost. Are you curious to experience what I did? If so, then check out the link above or look in the comments section below. It's your ticket to the same free seminar that kickstarted my YouTube success. This training is your golden opportunity to gather the knowledge you need to rock your YouTube income journey. Enter Amazon FBA and FBM. Whether you're a fan of letting Amazon handle the nitty-gritty details or you prefer the hands-on approach, these platforms open doors to a world of online retail possibilities. In this digital dance of dollars, there's no one-size-fits-all. Your journey is uniquely yours, and the online arena is buzzing with opportunities to turn your passions into paychecks. So, grab your virtual paintbrush, microphone, or coding keyboard, and let's craft a career that's as exciting as it is rewarding. The stage is set. Time to shine. Living frugally while working from home. Budget-friendly bliss. All right, savvy spenders and frugality aficionados, let's chat about mastering the art of living frugally while navigating the exhilarating world of working from home. Picture this. You're not just saving money, you're curating a lifestyle that's both mindful and wallet-friendly. First on the agenda, let's talk budgets. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about empowerment. Creating a budget tailored to your needs is like having a financial GPS, guiding you toward your goals without the unnecessary detours. Think of it as a roadmap to financial bliss, allowing you to allocate funds for necessities, niceties, and a sprinkle of spontaneity. Now let's jazz up that home office without breaking the bank. Affordable office essentials? Check. Cost-effective productivity tools? Double check. Your workspace can be both functional and fabulous without draining your wallet. Pro tip, thrift stores and online marketplaces are treasure troves for budget-friendly office decor. And what's a frugal lifestyle without a sprinkle of minimalism? Decluttering isn't just about creating Instagram-worthy spaces, it's about simplifying your surroundings and making room for what truly matters. It's where frugal living meets financial freedom, where each item sparks joy and doesn't weigh down your budget. But let's not forget the real game changer, embracing a minimalist mindset in your spending habits. It's about making intentional choices, savoring experiences over possessions, and ensuring that every penny spent aligns with your values. Living frugally isn't a sacrifice, it's a superpower. It's about taking control of your finances, curating a space that sparks joy, and making choices that echo your unique rhythm. So buckle up for this budget-friendly adventure where every dollar saved is a step toward financial freedom and a life well lived. Let the frugal festivities begin. Earning money with Amazon FBA and FBM, unleashing the online retail mavericks. Hey hustlers, ready to step into the dynamic world of Amazon FBA and FBM? Buckle up because we're about to explore the realms of online retail where your entrepreneurial spirit meets the convenience of the world's biggest marketplace. First off, let's talk about the powerhouse that is Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. Imagine having your own team of virtual assistants. Amazon takes care of storage, packing, and shipping, leaving you more time to brainstorm your next big idea or binge watch your favorite show guilt-free. It's like having a sidekick that handles the logistics, so you can focus on what you do best, curating products that customers will love. But wait, there's the flip side, Fulfillment by Merchant, FBM. For those who love a hands-on approach, FBM is your gig. You get to be the captain of your ship, managing the storage, packing, and shipping directly. It's a bit like having your own mini warehouse, but without the headache of a physical space. Your living room can transform into a distribution hub, and suddenly you're the maestro orchestrating the entire e-commerce symphony. Whether you're all in with FBA or prefer the DIY approach of FBM, Amazon opens up a treasure chest of opportunities. From sourcing products to delighting customers, it's your chance to join the online retail mavericks and turn your passion into profit. So grab your digital shopping cart and let's embark on this e-commerce adventure. The world of Amazon, FBA, and FBM awaits, and your success story is just a few clicks away. Challenges and solutions, navigating the work-from-home roller coaster. Hey Trailblazers! So you've embraced the remote work lifestyle and ventured into the world of online money-making. High fives all around. But let's keep it real. Every adventure has its challenges, and the work-from-home journey is no exception. Don't worry. We've got your back with some practical solutions to keep your remote work roller coaster on the thrill side, not the spill side. Challenge 1. The notorious struggle with work-life balance. When your home is your office, drawing the line between work and play can feel like trying to color inside the lines during a paintball match. Solution? Establish those boundaries like a pro. Set dedicated work hours, create a designated workspace, and let your loved ones know when you're in the do not disturb genius at work mode. Challenge 2, the dreaded tech hiccups. Whether it's the Wi-Fi playing hide and seek or your laptop deciding it's a Monday on a Friday, technical difficulties are the unsolicited guests of the digital era. Solution? Embrace the power of contingency plans. Backup internet options, a spare device, and a dash of patience can work wonders when the tech gremlins strike. Challenge 3, the solitude blues. Working from home can sometimes feel like a solo concert with no encore. Solution? Socialize like it's your job, virtually of course. Schedule virtual coffee breaks, join online communities, and sprinkle some digital camaraderie into your day. It's the secret sauce for keeping those isolation blues at bay. Remember, every challenge is just a plot twist in your epic work-from-home saga. With a bit of creativity and a dollop of resilience, you've got this. So tighten that seatbelt for the roller coaster ride, and let's turn those challenges into victories. Your remote work adventure is about to get even more exhilarating. Before we close the curtain on this digital fiesta, how about joining us on a transformative voyage towards financial awesomeness? Ready for the ride? Smack that subscribe button, and let's kick off our journey to a future where your wallet is as happy as you are. Can't wait to have you on board for this adventure in Money Matters. As I promised, hop into the comment section below for a blast. There's a link waiting for you to grab my free training guide, Save $1,000 in a Week. Dive in and let's make saving cash a fun journey together. And there you have it, fellow pioneers of the digital frontier. From navigating the cozy landscapes of remote work to embarking on the thrilling adventures of online entrepreneurship, we've covered it all. You've learned how to turn your skills into a symphony of paychecks, discovered the zen of living frugally without sacrificing the joys of life, and even dipped your toes into the bustling world of making money online from the comfort of your own home. But this isn't just a guide, it's an invitation to a lifestyle where every click, every keystroke, and every decision leads you to a more liberated and financially empowered version of yourself. You're not just working, you're crafting a life where the lines between passion and profession blur into a masterpiece. As you embrace the challenges, triumph over tech glitches, and dance with the solitude blues, remember this: you're not alone in this digital odyssey. You're part of a community of go-getters, dream chasers, and frugal living enthusiasts. So celebrate the wins, learn from the challenges, and relish the fact that your journey is as unique as your favorite emoji. Now, armed with the knowledge of earning online, living frugally, and navigating the remote work terrain, you're not just working from home, you're living your best work-from-home life. So here's to your digital odyssey of dollars and delight, where every click is a step towards financial freedom and every moment is an opportunity to savor the sweet nectar of life. Cheers to your success, your hustle, and the adventures that lie ahead. May your Wi-Fi be strong, your ideas even stronger, and your journey absolutely epic.